Magandang hapon po ng December 5, 2024 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng December 5, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, December 5, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for December 5, 2024, Thursday. Here is the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, December 5, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for December 5, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.